as Zimbabwe's Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3, CAB3, undergoes a record-breaking debate in National Assembly, with over 110 members of Parliament taking the floor. Justice Minister Ziyambi is today afternoon expected to reply to the key issues and questions arising from the ongoing fierce debate on the proposed legislative changes before a minimum simple majority vote to proceed to the committee stage. Sarabida mashiko bdanyi kwa pangwa ine to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tikta mna mo bdanyi kwa mchinzi. Both the National Assembly and Senate will resume sittings today. The bill was introduced for the first reading last week on Thursday. After a 90-day parliamentary public consultation process, it went for a second reading the following day, Wednesday, and has been subject of intense debate in the National Assembly. The minister is expected to reply to questions from current debate before voting, which requires a minimum simple majority for the bill to proceed to the critical committee stage for a clause-by-clause examination and scrutiny. After that, they will be voting by a simple majority on amendments for it to go to the third reading if the vote is in the affirmative, and then to Senate for a similar process. If changes are made in Senate, it then goes back to National Assembly for voting on those amendments, and finally to the President for assent before it is gazetted into law. The bill has far-reaching political implications for Zimbabwe as it changes its political, electoral, and governance system, including elongating the tenure of the president by 2 years, shifting the elections of president through a direct vote to selection by the people, see representatives in parliament, and the length of the presidential term from 5 to 7 years. Doma developments are buda pangwa ine. Na comment section medu za fungira any more to be pamsel by chit kwech. So subscribe or like kwa channel tombe bell icon.